Kansas City Mule is a bold and refreshing drink representing the Kansas City Chiefs, inspired by the city's love for barbecue and rich, smoky flavors. This cocktail is a twist on the classic Moscow Mule, adding a splash of smoky mezcal for a Midwestern touch. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces vodka, as the base of the mule, half an ounce mezcal, for a smoky Kansas City twist, half an ounce lime juice, for a tart, citrusy flavor, 3 ounces ginger beer, for a spicy, bubbly finish, 1 lime wedge, for garnish. For equipment you will need copper mug, bar spoon, ice. Here are the instructions. Fill a copper mug with ice. Add vodka, mezcal, and lime juice to the mug. Top with ginger beer. Stir gently to combine. Garnish with a lime wedge. Kansas City is famous for its barbecue, known for its smoky, rich flavors. The addition of mezcal to this mule reflects the city's love for bold, smoky taste.